Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is going to be part 2 of a real life example. I realized that in the previous video I did not show you guys how the funnel works, so I just wanted to walk you through it really quick, and so you guys can get a good idea of what you will be doing or how you will be generating leads, opposed to the previous way that I showed you, which is door knocking, your sphere of influence, cold calling, all that stuff. So I'm going to walk you through the funnel and show you the steps how it works. This is going to be really quick, and so let's just get right into it. So right here I'm showing you guys my Facebook. It probably looks different at the time that you guys are looking at this video, but one of the good things about the funnels is that you basically create your own URL. You're going to have your own website in essence. Well, it's not a website. I know I've said that many times, but you're going to have your own URL, your own link, so you can take that and plug it at anywhere, not just for a Facebook or an Instagram ad. So you can take that and, like, I have a funnel plugged right into my personal Facebook page. It's at the very top. This is probably going to be different again by the time you guys look at that, but I have my link right in there, and then I have a little featured picture right here pointing to my link again right here. So this is something that we're going to talk about later in another video. Just a little bonus that I can show you guys how to do this. Set up your own Facebook page to basically be its own funnel. So again, you guys can take this URL and plug it on your Facebook page. If you're doing videos on YouTube, you can, on every video, you can have a call to action for folks to come straight into your URL, and they'll fall right into your funnel. So it's not just for Facebook ads. You guys can take this URL anywhere and everywhere. You can post it on your personal Facebook page, on other blogs, on comments, personal groups, so you can take it everywhere. So this is just a quick example of how it works. So again, my Facebook page, if somebody comes to my Facebook page and they read my little magnet, this is kind of like my magnet, so folks can come into my page. You'll have something different there. They'll click on my link and come on, click on my link, okay, and it will take them to a little funnel that I have created, and this is not for real estate. This is actually targeting you guys, real estate agents, but again, this will be different. So I just wanted to show you here real quick how what this funnel looks like. There's only three buttons on this page, and they all do the same thing. They all call for the pop-up, the same pop-up. Just wanted to show you guys how the funnel works. The user can go anywhere else but into the next page where it is that you want them to go, so you can capture the lead, right? Show you another example. This is another landing page that I have. Folks, this is actually an ad that I have running right now. Folks see this on the internet. They click on learn more or download. They land on the landing page, and they scroll down. They read, here's my call to action, download. If they keep scrolling down, that same call to action is right there, and they both do the same thing. They call for the opt-in. Okay. Now another cool feature. This doesn't happen on mobile, but it does. You guys can set this up to happen on the desktop. So if the user goes up, like, to leave the page, and they take their cursor up to the URL, the pop-up comes back up again. So I want to show you guys. So let me this is a test that I did. Let me plug another name here, and I want to show you how it all happens. I'm gonna plug in one of my emails in there. So to capture the lead, right? Submitting the page, boom, it lands me on the next page. In your case, this would be a thank you page. This is a little different for me because I want it's a step up funnel, so I want them to do something else. So let me go here, and so now that we got the lead, I want to show you where that lead goes next. So the software that I'll walk you guys through in a later video is called Zapier, and this is basically going to take that lead, and it's going to take it from your funnel to a Google spreadsheet, where that Google spreadsheet is going to send out an automatic email on your behalf, and that's how you're going to immediately connect with your audience. And then it's going to drop it in your CRM, which in my case, it's a Mailshake account, and that's how I nurture my leads. There's an extra step that you can plug in here that I do not have, which is we can plug in a step where it goes straight to your cell phone. Okay, so that's how that works. Just want to show you that step because I do have a customer with that step right now. Here you go. So she has that step. It captures the lead from Facebook. It goes to a Google Sheet, and then it's sending an email on her behalf. But oh, here's the other step. Here's that step. Actually, okay. And then it grabs the lead from the Google Sheet and it sends it to her directly to her cell phone as a form of a text message. So that's how that works. So remember, we have the lead. It went through Zapier, and it should have gone to my Google Sheet. If everything worked okay, it should have gone to my Google Sheet, and it should have landed on my email sequence. So our emails automatically start going out, right? So I'm going to take you to, let me see. Okay, let's check my email because I put in my email there. So the email should have triggered, right? So I should have received an email. There it is. In my case, this is I have an email that triggers, and the magnet that the user was attracted to on the Facebook ad, they receive it automatically, right? So I sent out an email automatically, and it says your complimentary ad template and Facebook ad training guide. Here's the email that I generated, and they get both the two links that are basically the magnet for which they opted in, and they gave me their information. So now we got the lead. They got the user got the email, and the lead should have landed in my Google Sheet. There it is, Mario, right? So Mario landed on my Google Sheet. I got his email address and the date that the email landed on my Google Sheet, right? So now the next step is from this Google Sheet. Let's go back to Zapier. Here it is. So went from ClickFunnels to the Google Sheet. The email that I just showed you guys, because the email went out. And then it sent it to my Mailshake account. So now let's go to the Mailshake account and make sure that lead is in there in the campaign. Let me refresh this. And I should have Mario in here if it all worked out right. There it is, Mario. Mario, my email address. And the reason I plugged in my email address was so I can show you guys the email that is fired automatically as soon as that lead happens. So there it is. A user sees your lead, sees your ad on Facebook. They come into your funnel, right? They gave you their information. An email was triggered. They received that email. You received the lead into your Google Sheet so you can later follow up. In my case, I'm not asking for phone numbers, but in your case, you'll be asking for phone numbers. So we'll create another column here and it'll have the phone number. From here, that lead is going to be triggered and going to go directly to your cell phone. And then it's going to fall into your CRM. Okay? So that's how this works. And again, it's automated. This works 24 hours a day. You'll be receiving emails and text messages for all your leads. No more cold calling, no more door knocking, no more open houses, no more networking events. This is all automated. Welcome to the digital age, guys. And again, I have 0 coding skills and 0 design skills. Perhaps maybe that's why my landing pages don't look that beautiful. I'm not the best designer, but again, this is all, dropping boxes. And in our next video, I'm going to walk you through and I am going to show you how to create a funnel from scratch. So you're going to see how easy it is to create a funnel. Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay? Take care.